What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
À quelle heure vous couchez-vous?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Je me couche à 22 heures.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Quel est ton plat préféré?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Mon plat préféré est la pizza.
How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
Combien de langues parles-tu?
I speak 3 languages: French, English, and Spanish. I speak 3 languages: French, English, and Spanish.
Je parle 3 langues, le français, l'anglais et l'espagnol.
Where is your wife? Where is your wife?
Où est votre femme?
She is in the living room. She is in the living room.
Elle est dans le salon.
What is she doing? What is she doing?
Que fait-elle?
Watching television. Watching television.
Elle regarde la télévision.
Is there anything I can do to help you? Is there anything I can do to help you?
Est-ce que je peux faire quelque chose pour t'aider?
Everything will be fine, thank you. Everything will be fine, thank you.
Tout va bien se passer, merci.
Could you open the window? Could you open the window?
Pourriez-vous ouvrir la fenêtre?
With pleasure. With pleasure.
Avec plaisir.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
Qu'avez-vous fait hier?
I went to visit my grandmother. I went to visit my grandmother.
Je suis allé rendre visite à ma grand-mère.
What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow?
Que ferez-vous demain?
I will go to the park with my family. I will go to the park with my family.
Je vais aller au parc avec ma famille.
Do you know Mary? Do you know Mary?
Sais-tu Marie?
We are friends since we were children. We are friends since we were children.
Nous sommes amis depuis notre enfance.
Is the supermarket near here? Is the supermarket near here?
Est-ce que le supermarché est près d'ici?
Yes, it's in front of the bank. Yes, it's in front of the bank.
Oui, c'est en face de la banque.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Faites-vous régulièrement de l'exercice?
Yes, I go to the gym 5 times a week. Yes, I go to the gym 5 times a week.
Oui, je vais à la salle de sport 5 fois par semaine.
Can you fix my bike? Can you fix my bike?
Pouvez-vous réparer mon vélo?
Did you buy your house? Did you buy your house?
As-tu acheté ta maison?
No, I rent it. No, I rent it.
Non, je la loue.
Do you often go to restaurant? Do you often go to restaurant?
Allez-vous souvent au restaurant?
I like to eat out. I like to eat out.
J'aime bien manger dehors.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
Qu'aimeriez-vous manger?
I would like to eat a chicken salad. I would like to eat a chicken salad.
J'aimerais bien manger une salade de poulet.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Que voulez-vous boire?
Mint tea, please. Mint tea, please.
Thé à la menthe, s'il vous plaît.
Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here?
Y a-t-il une banque près d'ici?
Yes, there is a bank nearby. Yes, there is a bank nearby.
Oui, il y a une banque à proximité.
May I speak to Michael, please? May I speak to Michael, please?
Puis-je parler à Michael, s'il vous plaît?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment. I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Je suis désolé, il n'est pas là pour le moment.
When will he be back? When will he be back?
Quand reviendra-t-il?
He will be back in 20 minutes. He will be back in 20 minutes.
Il sera de retour dans 20 minutes.
Excuse me, what did you say? Excuse me, what did you say?
Excusez-moi, qu'avez-vous dit?
I said I'll call you back. I said I'll call you back.
J'ai dit que je vous rappellerai.
Where did you spend your last vacation? Where did you spend your last vacation?
Où avez-vous passé vos dernières vacances?
I went to Morocco. I went to Morocco.
Je suis allé au Maroc.